Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.
Hello, Team Bella, and happy Friday. Welcome to Faith Friday. I'm Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm going to share with you how I decorate my lined vertical and my horizontal planner that I use for faith planning. Okay, so just remember 3 things. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you show me some love by giving me the thumbs up. Comment below, what system are you currently using for your faith planner? And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to join me and the other members of Team Bella, I would love to have you here. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and don't forget about that notification bell. My system is composed of 2 parts. So one is daily Bible reading. I use a devotional called Examining the Scriptures Daily. That's the best way to explain it, where I have one scripture and I normally write my scripture here, and then any points I need to bring out or remember, then I write them here. That's one part, and I do that every day of the week. Then as a congregation, we have congregation Bible study. This week we're reading Numbers 27 through 29. So I would read that scripture and make any notations, and there's like this key points or study guide that we have, and I make my notes there. So I'll show you how I do that. And these 2 spreads always go together. And then for the Sunday equivalent of a sermon, I also take additional notes, and I try to coordinate that with my planner spread as well. Today I'm going to be using this Kellofaplan bold florals, and I want to use the florals that coordinate with this kind of light green, mint green. It has yellow, so I'm going to use, and I see orange in there, so I'm going to try to pull the orange out. The orange may be a little bright, I don't know. The yellow I'm good with. The pink is fine, but I feel like there's hints of orange in here, so I'm not 100% sure if I'm sold on the orange. What do you guys think as an option, the orange? So I think I'm going to use these 3. I think they will match perfectly. I don't think the orange is going to give me the desired effect that I want. So that's the first thing that I typically do, is pick out what stickers I'm going to use. So what I like to do is to put my washi down first. And so of course this washi is pretty much very see-through. So I try to like cover up the darker colors with, of course, darker washi. So yeah, like I'm not going to wipe this out, even though it's a little bit see-through. I'm not 100% bothered by it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little washi cutter here and get that. Now this one will require some whiteout because it's going to show through this washi. So I'm just trying to get it to come up here. Let's see. Actually it doesn't really show through. Well, that's great. So we're going to put this one here, and we're going to use this washi cutter. And I believe I got this one from, I'm going to say Sarah Elizabeth Prince. It's really cool. Yeah, Sarah Elizabeth Prince is where I got this washi cutter from. All right, and then we're gonna just come down here, and we're gonna put the yellow down here, and we're gonna do the same exact place on the other side. This is how I get to also use some of my washi stash. Like, I'm very laser focused on using the things that I've purchased. So, all right, that's pretty. Okay, and we're gonna come over here. We're gonna do the same thing. So and come here and come here. Okay, And this one is a green, and then we're gonna go down here with the yellow. So we're perfect. Okay, so because I do write so much on this planner, I'm very limited in decor. But something that I wanted to do this week that I haven't really done is to just bring a whole lot of florals to the sidebar. I normally do not really use the sidebar here because it's so much writing and everything else that I do. So not like my typical planner. So what I like to do is, I don't know. All right, so we're gonna come here and we're going to try to get everything all matched up. And what I like to do is some of these boxes that can be written on, like alternating. For instance, put one here. It's pretty. And then we would need another one here. And I think this one I will come up here. And then we need one more there. And so that definitely breaks up everything by doing it that way. Okay. Now, these dots, I find them to be very big. And and it's also, I find it hard for me to split these evenly in the middle too. So I struggle from that too. Just like that one is so freaking crooked. All right, so let's try to. Oh, Lord, y'all, what is wrong with me? I done messed up all these stickers. Okay, so what I like to do is, like here, just alternate the little bullet points. It's not that many, but across that middle section, I would like to have bullet points alternated. Okay. Yeah, I know that one's pretty doggone torn up. And so we want to make sure that we share all the florals on this. And it's really like, when I tell y'all, it's so basic how I do it, but it's so pretty. And it just makes me want to open my things up, my Bible up, and get in there on a daily basis. So I need another green one. So this is kind of what I do every week. Well, not every week. I don't use Kellofaplan stickers every week. But since I am using them, okay, that is gorge. I think in the sidebar over here, I am going to actually just use this long sticker here. Okay. I was going to put florals there, but I changed my mind because you guys will see what I'm going to do with the rest of this. So that's it. So that is for my daily Bible reading. So for this part of the planner, the first thing I do is I white out the dates. I don't need the dates. I will put the date up there. Okay. Now, these I will alternate the colors as well. Okay, so I have laid down the rest of that washi off camera, and I'm gonna remove these pages because I'm done with those for right at this moment. And so we're gonna come to these bold florals. in this book. So the only thing I don't like is because they're so big. You have to really, like, this is a space that I don't do a lot of writing, but the challenge is once you cut it off, for instance, right here, and I come here and let's say I hit, y'all, my knifing skills lately have sucked. All right. Sorry about that. That's my work computer. I got an email. All right. Let's see. Let's make sure we don't tear this, because I don't know why. Did that. Okay. Let me try to pull it away from here. Ooh. So this happens. It does when you're careless. All right. Whew. Yeah, that was stressful. All right, let's see what's going on here that this doesn't want to come off. All right. That's pretty, but then we have this very square, like that look funny. So maybe I can use it up here. I don't know. Or maybe I know what I can do. I know what I can do. I can come and give it dimension by trimming it. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Because it just looks so funny when it's straight, you know? But if we come and we kind of cut around the sides and just cut some areas out, it won't be so bad. Then I can come on this side and lay it down here. Hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, so I don't want to do that whole area. I want to kind of, all right, I'm gonna come down here because I don't like this part either. Right here. And then, so if we come down here and lay it here.
I did.
Okay. All right, so I think that is cute and that fixes part of our problem. Okay guys, so this completes my faith plan with me. I'm all set for the week. So this is for daily devotional or the daily text. And then this is for my congregation Bible reading for the week, which is Numbers 27 through, I'll put the date up here as well. So we'll do May 3rd through the 9th. And we are reading Numbers 27 through 29. And that's how that looks for the week. I don't know how I actually feel about these stickers for this purpose. I like to use Live Love Posh. Hers actually work very, very well. So next week, I'll show you how I use her stickers to create the whole process. Just to let you guys know, this is a miss. So I'm gonna figure out a way to correct and fix this to make it look even better and transform it into something I could use, and hopefully I don't get to miss my sticker or anything like that. I think maybe I can pull this up, put a plain white back on here, like label paper, and then stick it down. So I may be able to do that. But right now, this is what it's looking like. I haven't cut it or anything. This is exactly how it came out of the book. And I'm not impressed with it, but that's okay. I like the colors and it will certainly do. So thank you guys for watching. And just remember the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.
Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.